using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Hey there everybody! Promoting your products and other branded stuff on Instagram is great for business. And there is a very entertaining, very engaging way to do it that your audience will love. We're talking about doing product reveals on Instagram Live. Instagram's built-in live streaming feature that will allow you to showcase your products and to interact with potential customers in real time. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily go live on Instagram and how to set up a product reveal broadcast. Getting started. Going live on Instagram is a very straightforward process that won't require you to set up complicated live streaming software or super sophisticated streaming equipment. In fact, all you'll need is a good cell phone with a good camera and a good internet connection. To go live on Instagram, start by opening the app on your device. Then tap on the camera icon in the upper left corner. Next, select Live. Going live. To go live, you will simply have to tap on the Live button. Now, there are some settings that you can adjust before going live. First, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner. Here you can select to hide your live session. We don't recommend you to use this feature for marketing purposes, so let's move to the following settings. In Allow Message Replies, you can select who can message you and reply during your live session. Here we recommend that you use the default Everyone setting. Now you can select how to save your live session. Enable Save to Camera Roll if you want to save your live session to your phone. This is a useful feature that you can enable in case you want to share your video on other platforms such as Twitter or YouTube. You can also enable Save to Archive to save your live session to your Instagram archive instead of your phone. Next, you can adjust sharing. Here, we recommend you to enable all default sharing settings. This way, you can reshare your live session in the Stories section, allowing users to share your live session as a message, and share your live session as a story on your connected Facebook page. Once you have configured your live settings, tap on Done. Before going live, you can also select whether to go live in normal mode, or you can select to go live using a filter. For this example, we are going to go live in normal mode. Now that we're ready to go live, we simply have to tap on the Live button. During live. Once you tap Live, you'll get a message to let you know that your connection was successful and that you are live now. A cool thing that Instagram does when you go live is to show all your followers a notification on the upper side of the screen telling them that you are going live. We recommend you to schedule your live sessions in advance so you can announce your live reveal events across all your social channels. When you do a product reveal, you have to prepare your presentation and to have a sample or demo ready to tease the product on screen when possible. Let's assume you prepared your presentation the right way. So let's take a quick look at what you can do while you're live. First, you can tap on the gallery icon to share an image or video during your reveal. When you select an image or video, it will fill your background. This will allow you to show images or videos about the product that you are revealing and to use them for our presentation, like we're doing here. This is because you can select one image first, then another, in a way that is similar to a webinar. You can also share comments with your attendees by sweeping up. In the case of a product reveal, you can use this function to share your product launch page or product sales page URL. Your attendees will start asking questions at some point, and you can tap on the questions icon to see their questions regarding your product. A couple more functions worth checking are the direct messaging and go live with icons. The direct message function allows you to send a direct message or invitation to other accounts while you're live. And the Go Live With feature allows you to go live with any of your viewers. Once you are ready to finish your live reveal, simply tap on End, then Confirm. You can then tap on Share to Story, so your live session is added to your stories for 24 hours. And that's it, my friends. A great way to drive interest in your products while you interact with your followers in real time.